It's FOMC. Wild Wednesdays here, baby. We're going to, I don't know, to the moon, to the grave. Who's going to find out? The market's up, it's down, it's all around right now. A little squeezy McSqueezerson here going into the numbers. Right now, we're going into the 2 o'clock for FOMC. It's 1:30 in the afternoon right now, 7:30 here in Hawaii. Good morning, good morning. What's poppin'? What's poppin'? Patricia, if you bought the Market Flow Trader course, you should have gotten full access to the new course for free. Make sure you check your emails, Patricia. Check your emails, Patricia, please. Check your emails. NASDAQ, the ES, bouncing here off the VWAP for now. Gotta love it. Old VWAP bounce. Getting that VWAP bounce, boys. Geeks Electronics, has anybody followed this strategy and made profit? Never happened. Nobody's ever bought low and sold high before. Never in the history of the market. Never, ever. Never, ever, ever. Never, ever, ever has it happened. Whatever you do, do not copy this guy. Don't do it. You won't make any money. It's hard. You can't do it. It's impossible, actually. Right now, looking for a push up here. This 715 level, taking some profit into the FOMC. We got one runner left here at the 13s now, and stopped out there for full profit. So, was looking for a bounce off of that VWAP there, kind of slowly adding into that bounce off the VWAP potential. We got a nice little push up from the 90s now up there to the 715s, and locking in over $2,000 in profit there in the Apex funded accounts. Today is FOMC, baby. You know what that means. Anybody? Anybody know what that means? Anybody? This market's gonna go crazy. It's gonna go up, it's gonna go down, it's gonna go all around. Right now, the NASDAQ continuing higher here into the 2 o'clock hour. Bouncing off the VWAP there. What a setup this morning. Anybody get this breakout setup here on the 2-minute chart through the VWAP there? Again, pulling back into the VWAP for another perfect Patrick Wieland setup. This is textbook bull flag setup right here. Oh my Lord, guys. Look at it. It's still going. We pulled back into the VWAP there. We got our bull flag. We get the breakout. Oh, man. Textbook, absolutely textbook. Through the pivot point there, 19,700s, up there to the 728s. Woo! Justin Brown, you were sitting in drawdown and went live once your position turned green. No, I went live at 7:30 because I was already scheduled to go live at 7:45. Don't worry, Justin. If I wouldn't have been in the green, I wouldn't have shown the profit. So, you know, it's all good. Luckily for you, I was in the green, so I survived. We'll be all right. Thanks for the support, though. I did it, you know. Finally figuring it out. Ugh. That was weird. Swallowed a fly, a bug. All right, what do we got? Take a look here. Take a look at the hourly chart right now. We've got this support level down here, 19,600. Looking like a bit of a head and shoulders kind of on the hourly chart, huh? A little bit of an overextended kind of head and shoulders. So see what happens on the hourly chart. Resistance, we know we got resistance up there, 19,000 19,850. 19,850 is the high from Tuesday. Tuesday's high up there at the 19,850s. After that, 20,000 to the upside there. Right now, back above the VWAP, back above the pivot points. Which way we gonna go? It's FOMC. Expect anything. Up, down, all around. Expect it. We took out the low from yesterday, correct. That 600 level, and then bounced right back up there. 19,600 turning into support. Look at the W. Identify the W on the chart, you know. Find the W, find the winning trade. W. We land. All right there. You should have seen that as it was forming. W, we land. We going up, up, up. Oh, honestly, get ready for fucking up, down, all around. Oh, the internet's having issues again. Oh, Lord. I can't. We should be back. Oh, God. Bow, 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 bow. We had a few really good setups here this morning. If you've just now tuning in, we had a few setups this morning. Oh, God. So we had the breakdown here. The bear flag kind of set up here on this little VWAP area, and the pivot point turning into resistance. So that 19,700 for the VWAP breakdown. So you had that short, right, from that bear flag. And then it moved on down through the lows there, the 650s down there to the 590s. And then we had the W at the bottom, W at yesterday's low, the push back up, another bull flag set up here for the push back above the VWAP here through the pivot, and then another bull flag off of this 680 VWAP level again there. So welcome to the party. It's FOMC. Oh my Lord, it's happening before the news is even coming out. Market's already moving. When do you have to close your trades on Apex today? Well, technically you don't have to close them. I don't believe you have to close them, to be honest. I don't know. Don't listen to me. Don't take but I'm pretty sure there's no rule against holding. You just can't buy or sell right when the numbers come out. So it's just like you just got to make sure that if you're going to stay long or stay short into the numbers, make sure you do it with plenty of time beforehand. Don't do it right when the numbers come out, because then that would just be gambling. Like if you're going to put a trade on, you know, you got to put it on like 10 minutes, 5 minutes before the news comes out. Make sure that you're not gambling on the news. But either way, you're gambling. So you might as well just wait until the news comes out. Can you trade the news in the evaluations? Yeah. No rules on the evaluation for the news. So go crazy, baby. Go crazy. Do whatever you want. It's a wild, wild west, baby. That's right. Wild, 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 wild west. If you're unsure, just wait till after. That's probably a pretty good idea as well, to be honest. You know, nothing wrong with being patient, waiting for the moves. That's right. That's right. That's right. We're ready to party. Oh, buddy. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. People asking about the news rule, guys, first off, don't trade the news. Don't be a dum-dum, you know, just try to not be a degenerate for once in your life. If you're asking about the rules for the news, there's no reason to trade the news. Just be patient, wait for the news to come out, then trade something good. You know, if you're sitting here right now and you're, Patrick, what am I going to do? Should I do I trade the news? Do it? No, like just relax. Just relax, people. God. Trading is already difficult, so then like the idea of trading the news, I mean, you're just asking to get blown up. Does it work out? Do some people make money trading the news? Sure. But the majority of people that are going to trade the news today are going to end up losing money. So new here, is this dude always this annoying? Yes, we're always this annoying. Please don't watch. I'm so annoying. Please people, do not trade the news. Oh my God, you're annoying, Patrick. What is wrong with you? You should be telling everybody to go long right now. Get in, VWAP. Let's go. Let's go. News. Are you usually good at trading the FOMC? No. I'm not good. What? Come on. Old man dad bod. That's because you're still trading the September contracts. No book map right here. No book map. I have no book map in Hawaii. No book map. I have a Mac here in Hawaii. I got a new computer here in Hawaii, and I have not put the book map on it. I'm only trading with the charts. Will we see 100 points or more? Yes, 100%. We'll see probably 100 points up, 100 points down, maybe 100 points back up, maybe 200 points down. It's going to be wild either way. Is one contract too risky for FOMC? Well, can you hold through a 200-point drawdown on one contract? I don't know. Ask yourself. Can you, I mean, that's what it comes down to. Are you willing to lose 200 points on one contract? Hey, everybody, is one contract too risky? I don't know. How much you trying to lose? If you don't really care about losing money, then hey, fuck it. Go all in, baby. But, I mean, I don't know. How much time do you give yourself before the news and after the news? I don't really have like a time set, to be honest. I'm not like, you know, after 5 minutes or 2 minutes or 1 minute. It's kind of like you don't really know until the news hits. Once the news hits, then we can kind of be like, oh, this shit's going straight up and it's not stopping. You know, then maybe we jump in, jump out kind of thing. But yeah, I just, you know. Let's just be patient, people. You know, let's just little bit of patience today goes a long way. Trust me, there's good moves coming. You know, when you think about it, there's going to be some good moves to come. So don't get you know, all stupid. We're trying to not get stupid today. That's the goal. That's always kind of my goal, but let's not do it today. Let's not get stupid. We got some Apex accounts to give away today. That's right, Apex codes. Who wants to win an Apex account? Woo! Yay, everybody! He's got an Apex account. I put one free code for the Apex account in the chat right there. First person to put it in for a Rhythmic account gets a free account right there. We got 12 accounts to give away today, so make sure you stay tuned. You never know when we might drop them in the chat. Drop them anywhere. If the code doesn't work, that means somebody already won. You got to be quick. Right now, NASDAQ sitting here at the VWAP for now. If we look at the 15-minute chart, we got this overnight high up here, Wednesday's high, 9:30. Oh, sorry, it is Wednesday. So the morning high, overnight or early morning high up there, 9:30 level. And then we've got that 19,600 support to the downside. Who knows what's going to happen? You know, who knows what's going to happen? You never know. Do I think they're going to cut or do I think they're going to hike it? Well, I think they're going to reduce 25 basis points. The $1 million question is, will they do 50 basis points or 25? And so, probably a very good chance that they only do 25. If they do 50 basis points, then I think that could be a bad signal for the economy. That's kind of sending bad signals. So I don't think they're going to do it. Who knows? I think 0.25 we go up in the market. I think we go up on 0.25. You know? I think a 50 point cut we would go down, but you're sending bad signals. Why does more cuts mean bad for the economy? Well, because if they go to, if they do 50 basis points, it's basically saying that they're starting to cut quicker and faster than they predicted, meaning that the economy's a little weaker, is the way I look at it. Maybe 25 is already priced in. We'll see. Let's do this. Let's do a poll. Let's say on the day, will we close in the green or in the red in terms of the market today? Market close at 4 o'clock today. Will we be up or down on the day? So basically we'll say, are we going to be above 19,700 or below? Right now we're sitting right there at the 19,700 level. Will we go up? Will we go down? 50 points, the market goes up. 25 points, the market goes down. All right. I think what will probably happen is we're going to get a fake out move once the news comes out. And then during the press conference, the market will move the exact opposite direction. So it'd be funny if nothing happened. Something will definitely happen. Something 100% will happen. Something will definitely happen. That's for sure. No doubt in my mind. Is the live stream still lagging? Maybe I should restart my computer. I don't know. Fuck. Mic check, mic check, mic check. All right, I'm going to restart the stream. I'll be back here. I'm going to start another one here. I'm just going to restart everything because it's not looking good right now. I'm going to schedule another stream here for at 7:50. I'll switch y'all over to. I'm gonna go restart my router and stuff here in Hawaii. I don't know what's going on. All right, so there's another stream that'll be open here in a minute. I'm gonna restart everything, at least restart my internet here, and then I'll be back. So. Seems to be good now. It's actually better now. I didn't do anything, but maybe we'll let it ride. I don't know. We'll see. Not a good time to have choppy market here. Not a good time to have a choppy market. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, man. NASDAQ, NASDAQ, NASDAQ. The NASDAQ of the NASDAQ. Whenever I say NASDAQ, I think about Rounders. The guy in Rounders. What's that guy's name? The poker guy, the Russian. Fuck, I forgot his name now. Teddy KGB. That's it. Pay the man his money. Pay the man his money. I could be Teddy KGB. What could I say? What time are you going to be looking at for the news today? Probably like the 1 minute chart once the news comes out here. 1 minute chart to kind of trade the news maybe. Pay the man his money. He beat me. That's going to be FOMC today. So I'm gonna in the future I'm gonna build like an underground day trading room, you know, a bunch of gangsters hanging out day trading, sitting around smoking cigarettes, drinking, just trading, have like screens everywhere and people just trading. You know, you're like sitting next to somebody else, you're like, oh, you're long, all right, I'm gonna get short. Just head to head trading. Head-to-head trading. I'm going to be Teddy KGB. Fight Club trading. There you go. Oh, Dane. He's only here for the excitement. Ooh. Are you ready to go home yet? Not really. It's hard to complain living in Hawaii. Life is good. Life is good. When you trade the NASDAQ. Oh, I gotta go. I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick. FOMC, baby! Shit's gonna get wild. Just needed some moonshine. Just need a little bit of moonshine, you know? Makes everything a little bit better. Well, Yum, 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 yum. Moonshine. A cigar lounge, but a trading lounge. I think it could be a thing. Undercover day trading. Underground day trading pit. It's the day trading pit, you know? Patrick, would you give a shout out to Pantherific? Pantherific? You lost me at the pit? What do you mean? What's wrong with the pit? Pantherific. Panther. Number one rule of underground trading, we don't talk about underground trading, all right? Don't tell nobody about it. If you join the underground trading syndicate, do not talk about it. Will you be staying for Power Hour today? That's the plan. We're going to go from 8 a.m. Hawaii till 10 o'clock Hawaii, and then I'm going to go surfing. Surfing under USA. I probably shouldn't be sitting here on the computer talking about the underground trading room to 1,000 people. The idea of it being underground is it's no longer underground. Fuck. Buy it now before it's too late. Right now, we got 64% of the chat under the idea that we're going up here. We got 36% saying we're going down. Is it time to fade the chat, or is the chat getting smarter? See, this is the problem. Just can't figure it out. Is the chat getting smarter, or is the chat, you know? The more people watch me on the live stream, the smarter they get. So, in theory, at some point, if people are learning, the chat should start to, you know, the poll should be accurate at some point. You know, the poll should be accurate when you think about it. Patrick, your next trade should be based on ICT concepts. Yes. What surf spot you gonna surf today? I'm gonna go wing foiling over in Kailua, over on the east side. Little wing foiling action. Whee! Down, then up, then down. Pat, is it a 50-point cut or a 0.25 cut? I think it's a 25 cut. We'll find out. I might be wrong. Who knows? Why do you repeat everything? What do you repeat everything? I'm an AI, bro. Just read the chat. All right, we got a little less than 2 minutes until the news. Like I said earlier, today is not the day to get crazy. You know, don't be crazy today. Be good, boys. Be good. Don't trade, don't get crazy. But if you're going to get crazy, buy low, sell high. All right? It's time. We're getting very close here. FOMC, the account killer. More people will blow up their accounts today than any other day of the year. Well, maybe not just. Pretty much every FOMC is the highest blow up day out of all the prop firm companies. This is the day for the bread and butter. Bread and butter. You know, it is bread in the butter. People will be trading like bread and butter. They are crazy people trading here, okay? Crazy people. It is time, 30 seconds till the bread and the butter. That's right. The bread and the butter. 20 seconds now, people. The bread and the butter. Butter your breads right now. It's going to get wild. 10 seconds. If you've never seen FOMC, you're about to see it happen right here, right now. That's right. There it is. 100 points to the downside, 100 points straight back up now. Wow. Well, it's still going. What's the news? Straight up here. Look at this thing. Up there to the 830s, 840s. 50 basis points. Oh, Lord. They really did it. They really fucking did it. They really did it. All the way up there to the 880s now. We got 19,900s up there next. It is wild. Just wild. Market went straight up there off the VWAP now, straight up to the moon. I guess the chat was right. The poll, man. The chat is so smart. All right, so now this is the funny question. Is this the fake out? Is this the fake out here? There's an old saying with the FOMC, with the news, a lot of times the first move is the fake out move. That's what they say, at least. NASDAQ right now here at the 850s, right there at that pivot point. It's got to be patient here. Wait to see what happens. Right now, pulling back here, 19,800s already. Like I said, you got to be aware of the fake outs here. FOMC, not a day to go crazy, sizing wise. Big moves, lots of volatility. Down there, 19,800s right now. Bears trying to come in here. Will they get this down to that VWAP area again? All the way back down again. Bulls want to hold up here. There's 19,800s. Still just chopping around, holding up here 800s, 19,800s. Getting stuck there at that pivot point again. The ES pulling back here as well, right at the pivot point. Both the NASDAQ and the ES are like right below that pivot point now. Bulls are holding up there at that pivot point for now, but still just not really making the move here yet. You can see this is the high from Tuesday. So the high from Tuesday right now, we pushed up to that high, stuck there for now. And looking choppy there, 19,800s again, breaking to the downside there. Trying to hold up here, 19,800s. All I can see is get back. We're looking for those longs. They get back above that pivot point up there that's been holding us down. So right now, not looking too hot. Need the bulls to show some commitment to get it back above that pivot point there. Kind of retest it into the breakout, in the middle of that breakout candle. So now it's like the bulls, if they're going to make a move, it's got to kind of be from here, or we're dipping down further again. We got the press conference coming up here at 2:30 as well. Jay Powell will start speaking, and the market will make some big moves depending on what he says and what tie he wears and what he's looking at and all that fun stuff. So the way he parts his hair, what color glasses did he wear? Is it bullish? Is it bearish? NASDAQ heading on back down here. Ruh-roh. Right back to the VWAP it goes. Like I said, the fake out there, back to the VWAP once again. 19,718s. The first move is normally the fake out, and that's exactly what we're getting right now. Everybody got too excited about that 50 point basis cuts. Y'all got too excited. I told you, don't get too excited. Now straight down through the VWAP. Right back to where we started at now. Right there, pivot point to pivot point now. We got that low from that candle down there, 630 to get tested, I think, next. Holding up there at the VWAP. Wild. Right now, bouncing there off the VWAP. It's funny how we made that big move up and then we pulled all the way back into the VWAP. People are going to tell you, oh, Patrick, the VWAP's, it's a scam. No one uses the VWAP. Yes, you're right. I'm wrong. How have I gotten so lucky for all this time to learn from all the experts on the internet? Thank you guys so much. Bow, 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 bow. All right, we got a little less than 13 minutes until Powell starts speaking. Patrick, no one knows what's going to happen. You're right. But we do know the VWAP bounced it there, so. Got that pivot point coming up, 19,820s again. There's this, look at this ripper off the VWAP now. Good time to be patient here. If we get back above, you know, this pivot point, back above this 820, 830 level, the high there, 840s, we should try to take out that 19,900 next. And then after that, there's a pivot point up there, 975. So we'll see if that's going to come into play here. Up to that pivot now. Oh, Lord. Still a lot of volatility here. NASDAQ still stuck right below that pivot point for now. Got to get a bull flag above that pivot there is what we need for the bulls. They say that a 50-point basis cut is the beginning of a recession, is normally what that means in the past. So we'll see. Is the recession in the room with us right now? Eat. Again, deny there at the pivot. Who would have thought? Gonna have to wait for Powell to start speaking here. Gonna have to wait for Powell to start speaking. Mr. Powell. Powell. This is typical kind of FOMC action. I'm in a recession right now. Patrick Wieland recession. I don't know if I'll be able to afford any more Lambos. I won't be able to afford any more Lambos. I don't know. I don't think so. I'm kind of in trouble. Just not going to be able to afford those new Lambos. They want $1 million for that new Lambo, that Rivolotto, or they're selling on the aftermarket for literally $1 million right now. They're crazy. Y'all crazy. Y'all crazy. Paying no $1 million for no hybrid. For no hybrid. Ain't doing it. You ain't gonna trick me into that. No, Diddy. Diddy. Ain't happened to me. You ain't gonna trick me, Diddy. Hey, be careful. F1 cars are hybrid. Well. Right now, look at this. We got 2,000 people watching right now for FOMC here. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, hit it. Don't be afraid to hit the like button. It's free to like. You know, some people, they come and watch the stream and they just take, but they never give any love. Don't be that guy, you know? Come on. Help me help you. Help me help you. Will the NASDAQ break out here up to that pivot point area once again? Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. The market is now waiting for Powell to start speaking. Expect more volatility here in the next 4 or 5 minutes. Expect more volatility. That's right. All right, all right. Right now, just stuck below that pivot point. Like I said, there's no reason to really get long until we get above that pivot point. It's starting to look like it wants to kind of come back down here again, put in this higher low or lower high here. So if we start to roll back down to the VWAP again, you got that pivot point down there at the 96s. We got 3 minutes till, a little less than 3 minutes until Powell starts speaking here. I am not in a trade. When's ICT showing up to take another verbal beatdown? I guarantee he's watching right now. Don't worry, he's here. He's got nothing else to do, trust me. He is most definitely here right now. All right, for everybody who's watching, we got an Apex code in the chat for a Rhythmic account. Apex, one free Apex code. Whoever gets it, gets it. Whoever gets it, gets it. All right. Why do you hate ICT so much? I don't hate ICT. I don't hate anybody. I definitely don't hate ICT. I don't know why people believe. I don't think anyone actually thinks that I hate him. You know? Do they? Do people actually think that? No. No way. People don't think that, do they? Do they? No way. If we get above this 820 level, maybe get a little breakout. We're right there at that pivot point. It's like trying to break out here. A little bit of a triangle setup here. So Powell's about to start speaking as well. Well, he'll be walking out here in the next couple minutes for the meeting at 3:30 or 2:30 here. Jay Powell in the house. Where's he at? What's he gonna do? Up there through the 20s now. testing that pivot point for the 1,000th time here now. 1,000 pivot point touches. Jay Powell is speaking now. Market trying to push through this pivot point. Just stuck right there. Just absolutely stuck right there at the pivot for now. There's the push. That 820 breakout right now paying. Paying. Got that high from earlier up there, 19,900 on the dot. 19,900 on the dot up there, so. Oh. Gambling and gaming, there is no correlation between how many subs you have and how much money you make on YouTube. It's all about the views. When did you go live today? I went live at 2 o'clock for the FOMC meeting here, or 1:30 or whatever it was. Yeah, I said yesterday that I wasn't going to be live in the morning because of the FOMC meeting, so we're here. Don't worry about this morning. Worry about now, people. Worry about how much money you can make now. Market broke out there through the 20s now, back above the pivot point like we were looking for. Still going up. We got that 880 area to get through, and then that high on this candle, 19,900 up there. And then all the way to the upside, there's a pivot point, 19,976s. So it's happening. Anybody buy the VWAP bounce? Oh my lord. That would have been nice. Just get long at the VWAP down there. Wouldn't that have been nice? That'd have been real nice, wouldn't it? Been real nice. Patrick, I said calls. You know, listen to chat. Hate me is what I presume. What's that guy talking about? Yes, I hate you. You're terrible. When are you gonna get long? I'm gonna wait and see what happens here because of like stuff like this. Straight back down there. Powell speaking now. Jerome Powell speaking. The bulls need to hold here 19,800. As we get below this 19,800s, I think we go back to that 700 area pretty quickly again. So be careful if you're holding the longs right now, just in case this starts washing through that 800 level next. Yes, be careful. Please be careful, everybody. And there you go. 40 points, 50 points through that 800 level. But Patrick, you never told us. Took that short for the break below 19,800s. Covering there at the 54s. 94, 54s, 40 points there. We got right through that 21 EMA and now chopping it right back up. So it's FOMC day, baby. It's FOMC day. I'm trading on December contracts, right? Yeah, we're on December contracts now. NASDAQ right back up there above that 19,800s again. All right. All right. I see you, NASDAQ. I see you. This market right now is wild. Wild, wild, wild. Pretty much as long as Jay Powell is speaking, this market's just going to kind of chop around here. This is very typical of FOMC day. You get that one big reaction when the news comes out. The market makes that fake out, pulls back, pushes back up again, and then chops around here as we wait for Powell to stop talking, basically. Why do you say Tori Trades is the worst trader? She seems to be trading great, and her P&L is better than most YouTubers. Whatever you believe on the internet, bro. If you think that Tori Trades is a good trader, I'm also the Queen of England. And if you don't believe that, then I don't know what to tell you. I am the Queen of motherfucking England. She's dead? Well, I'm the new Queen of England. My queen, how art thou? I am your queen. Honestly, I don't really have anything against. I don't have anything against Tori Trades. I just think that she's like really full of shit. But hey, you know, that's pretty normal. I pretty much think everyone's full of shit, so it's all good. It's not personal. It's not personal, you know. It's just funny. The funny part is like everybody being like, yeah, but Tori Trades is up over $100,000 this year. She's up 100,000. She's such a good trader. But it's like, what? Like, what about all the money she's lost and just, you know, like, come on. Like, she's selling her fucking course and her mentorship and all that bullshit. But it's like, we don't, you know, I don't even, like, what does she trade? She trades 4-hour time frame, you know, like, come on. Come on. Come on. I have her uncle's course with her in it. Just saying. Her uncle has a course as well? Oh, God. It's even better. I mean, also, Tori Trades, like, she makes millions of dollars selling courses in mentorship. So it's like, to make 100,000, like, who really, like, who's impressed? You know, who the fuck, like, who's impressed? Who's impressed? I'm not impressed. NASDAQ right back down there to the VWAP again. Tori makes millions. Yeah, selling fucking $2,000 courses. Her whole thing, her whole marketing thing is like, I've made $100,000 off of only 9 trades this year. I've made 9 trades and I've made $100,000. Buy my mentorship and I'll teach you exactly how to make 9 trades and make $100,000. Why do traders on YouTube hate each other? I don't, like I said, it's not really about hating. You know, we don't really hate each other. It's just the, like, I don't know, what am I going to talk about when we sit here? Do you want to talk about something else? You know? Talk about the news. I feel like we're all like traders, so it's kind of like you talk about trading like it's YouTube. I don't know. Mr. Wynn said he called the 100-point short. Congrats. Am I preparing for the long or for the short? I'm not preparing for anything right now. Why do they need to sell mentorships if they trade so good? Well, because she can only make $100,000. You know, she can only make 100,000 trading, so she got to sell the courses to make the millions. It's a lot easier to sell a course, trust me. Selling a course is a lot easier when it comes to making money trading. A lot less fucking anxiety and trouble. It's great. Just sell a $2,000 course, bam, millionaire in no time. You'll be a millionaire before you know it, baby. Sometimes I ask myself, I'm like, it's just too easy, you know? Being this rich is just too easy. Why is everybody else poor? You know, I just wake up in the morning and I just press a button on the computer and I just make millions. Oh. I make millions. NASDAQ going straight up right now through the 809s. Back up there, 19,800 again. When will Powell stop speaking? Oh, Lord. Nasty. I'm not touching this shit right now. Wait till he's done talking because, oh, that was a 50-point 2-minute candle to straight back down. Ooey, ooey. Some better music up in here. Need some Liquid Lab. For Power Hour, coming up here on Power Hour, baby. It's FOMC Wednesday. We got Thursday, we got Friday, we got lots of action coming this week. So let's put our fucking hands in the air and let's go! Hey, 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 hey. NASDAQ just sitting around here. Let's do something, baby. Give me a move. Give me a move, NASDAQ. You know there's a good move coming. We just got to be patient. We got to wait. We got to watch. This is a good time to prepare. Prepare. Breathe in deep. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Prepare. Mental clarity. Put on your glasses. Get ready. There is a good move coming. We just got to be patient. I'll leave them on for now. Just trying to be patient. Wait for this move to happen, man. We just need that move to happen here. That's all. You know? We got the man, the myth, the legend. Look at him. This man's got the biggest balls in the world, and ain't nobody can do nothing about it. He walks out on that stage, puts his nuts down on that podium, and he says, all right, ask some questions. We gotta wait for Powell to stop, and then the party starts. The labor market has returned to or below the 2019 levels. Labor market, but this is more sort of 2018, 2017. So labor market bears, close watching, giving it, but ultimately we believe that with the appropriate recalibration of our policy, that we continue to see the economy growing, support the labor market in the meantime. If you look at the growth in economic activity data, retail sales that we just got in the second quarter, GDP, all of this indicates the economy is still growing at a solid pace, so that we should also support the labor market over time. So, but again, we were watching and we're starting to watch, see rising layoffs. If that were to happen, it wouldn't continue already. Blah, 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 blah. So, yeah. Powell's talking. Market's moving. We're in this channel right now. Nothing really to do as long as he keeps talking here. The problem is, like, even if the market starts going up, it's like, what happens if all of a sudden he farts? You know, what if he burps? What if he picks his nose? You know, what if something happens? Then the market just drops 100 points instantly. So, let's avoid that. Again, trying to push back up here. We got to get above this pivot point, man. That pivot point just sitting there. The line in the sand, baby. We need lines and sands. Whee! Take them out. No more lines in the sand. Get them out of there. Get them out of there. Take out that line in that sand, boy. That's right. You can do it. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I don't dance now. I make money moves. That's right. That's the story of my life. I don't gotta dance because I make the money moves. La 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 la. All right, NASDAQ once again right there at that fucking pivot point, man. Pivot point, pivot point, pivot point. What are you doing, NASDAQ? Just hanging out at the pivot point. VWAP continuing to hold up here. VWAP support for now. You know what that means. If we get below the VWAP, it's not support anymore. Oh, man. You can pay extra for that mentorship. If you want to join the Patrick Wieland mentorship, I could teach you things. Could teach you that if we break below the VWAP, there's a good chance we go down. So we'll see what happens. But right now, just waiting to see if we can get above this pivot point, man. You know, just got to be patient. We've made it this far, right? We've made it this far. We've survived this long. So let's continue to survive. So it's got to get Powell to stop speaking. He should hopefully be done here in the next 10 minutes or so. Normally his thing's like 30 minutes long. He's still talking, so. Purple tie, that's bearish. Oh no. What if Powell farts? Market goes up 5 million points. Natural gas goes up. If you're not trading natural grass, are we in a channel? Yes. Right now, between the pivot points, we basically got this data. That data high, the low and high of that data candle there on the 2-minute chart. And right now holding up at the VWAP. Dioniso Garcia is short 100 contracts. I pray for you, my friend. What's your injury? What's your average on the 100 contracts? Everybody in the chat, please pray for Garcia. 100 contracts short. Short off the pivot. 100 contracts. This guy's crazy. 100 micros. Ooh. I might just go all in long. If he's short 100 contracts, it might be time to get long, boys. It might be time. Prepare for the longs. Confirmation. Retail is short. It's time to get long. I'm just kidding. But maybe not. Maybe I am, maybe I'm not, you know? Maybe he's short 100 contracts and I'm long 100 contracts. Maybe. Dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. Going to a disco DJ party on Friday. Disco DJ party. What am I going to wear? I got to find an outfit. I need a disco outfit. Uh-oh. Looks like Garcia's getting paid. 100 contracts short right now. Oh, Lord, he's getting paid. Garcia, send me some money. Send me some money, Garcia. JBLF is long because of ICT. Uh-oh. Looks like Garcia's winning this one. It's gonna be me at the rave on Friday. Dude, Garcia's winning. Look at this. It's up 100 points on 100 contracts. AJ, did you make some money today? Just a little bit of money. Just a little couple $100 here and there, you know, a little bit. Just a little bit. Nothing crazy. Oh, Lord. NASDAQ right back down there to that VWAP again. I don't know. Is this going to be the ultimate short now? We run down there to the 600s. Oh, Lord. Garcia made $20,000. Let's go. Thing is getting murdered right now. Straight down. Whatever Powell's saying, they don't like it. The market don't like it. Jay Powell's being a naughty boy. Jay Powell is being a naughty boy. Oh, Lord. Still going. Dumping. And this is exactly why we were not looking for any longs until we got above all this up here. So Powell still speaking. Rob Joe got his trade. He's done for the day. Let's go, Rob. Where'd you get short at, Rob? 720, 760 area? Powell's still speaking. What do you mean he's done? I don't think he's done yet. Look at that hourly candle right now. If the market sells off here, I'm going to be the biggest genius ever. Everybody in the chat earlier was like, if Powell cuts 50 basis points, the market's going to go straight up. And I was like, I don't know, man. I think it might go down today. I think it's not good. Let's see what happens. I don't really care either way, to be honest. But what was the 15-minute opening range here today? So Rob took the 15-minute opening range trade, which was kind of like right there, 19,700. That's your 15-minute opening range. You got the middle of that range basically right there, 19,700 for that move down. So nice little trade there for Rob in the chat. He's been talking a lot about this, and I've kind of also been talking about it since he kind of really pointed it out, to be honest. And when you have those 15-minute range, the middle of that 15-minute range, a lot of times, you know, if we lose that middle of the 15-minute opening range, there's a very good chance that we then sell down through that 15-minute range. So see what happens. Gracia says goes long. Time to go long above the hour break. Oh, Lord. Time to go long above here? 725? Or where? I like that idea. Get back above 730, 720 area, get long. Makes sense. No confirmation for long. Yeah, well, no confirmation until we get back above the 25-30 area. Hey, Pat, did we not call the pump and the dump? I think we called it. NASDAQ moving on straight down here now. Woo. Powell is still speaking. Get him off the stage. Holy fuck. Get the guy out of there. Get him out of there. Get him out of there. You guys want an Apex code? Who wants an Apex code? Just drop the code in the chat for Apex Rhythmic. First one to get it gets it. We'll do a giveaway here in a minute if you guys haven't already. Let's do we'll do a for people. Oh, we actually have a big giveaway going on right now on Only Prop Firms. If you guys haven't signed up for this yet, make sure you sign up. Put a link there in the chat. Another bear flag setting up here. Got the low of day down there at the 581s. Turn around. Powell is still talking. Get him off of there, man. Why is he still talking for? Wants to hear his own voice. About you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Market just sitting down here, 19,600s for now. Looks like a bear flag trying to break to the downside here, but choppy action. It's holding on there at the 600s for now. And they just popped it right back up there. Powell, what do you say? Look, he's talking. Stability, stability. Hey, don't stop talking, man. Get him off of the screen. NASDAQ just holding down here at the 600s. Powell still speaking. It's enough. Light in your load, it's close enough. Ooh, loading in my sleep. I want this close to you. I want this helping you. God damn it, shut up, Powell. Get him off of there. He's still fucking talking. Get him off of there. This guy, he just loves himself. Another big fake out off the bottom, straight back up there to the VWAP once again. This guy, he don't want it. He's there, you know, fucking Joe Biden's calling him right now saying, hey, we got to pump this market. We got to pump it. Say something. Say something to pump it. Pump it back up. Damn NASDAQ. I'd be amazed now if we just like go all the way back up here. 19,900s would be funny. You gotta admit, that would be kind of funny. Right? I would laugh. Powell's speaking. Market's liking whatever he's saying, so. Right there again at the VWAP. Right there at the VWAP now. NASDAQ's right there at that pivot point, right there at that VWAP. Starts to burn. Powell still speaking. He's really talking a lot over there. NASDAQ's got to get back above that VWAP, obviously, for the bulls here. So Powell continuing to talk. I think he might be done soon. Little bull flag kind of setting up here. Right below the VWAP now. If the ES, the NASDAQ, tries to push, ES is already back above the VWAP. NASDAQ's right below the VWAP here. Powell still speaking. The yin and the yang. Damn it. It happened again today. The yin and the yang. NASDAQ trying to get through the VWAP here. Will it happen? She's sitting there. Powell still speaking. Just gotta get Powell to stop speaking here and see what the market's gonna do. He's still speaking. He's still there. Get him off. Turn it off already. We don't need him. We're good. We got this figured out. Market only goes up. How can it be so tight right here? So tight. I mean, if we break out here, I think we go up fucking at least 50, 60 points to the upside after consolidating right there below the VWAP. So, I don't know. It just keeps getting stuck right there at the VWAP. In my head. Stuck there at the VWAP once again. They don't like Powell speaking. He's off the thing now. He is done speaking. Both the ES and the NASDAQ both just dumped real hard right there for now. And straight back up here again. Back down there, 19,620. So once again, the chop continues here. Looks pretty troublesome here for the bulls. Like it just wants to drop off a cliff, but they keep stepping in here. Wick off the bottom there again. Back up to the VWAP again. It's coming, looking. Lord. We're right back up there again. What in the fuck? Market still just holding on here, man. Holding on here. Took a little long right there for that little pushback up. Just taking these little scalps right now. This shit is just all over the place. Fucking A. Stupid. There it goes. Straight back up again. Through the 700s one more time. Wow. Wow. Right through the VWAP now. Holding up the lows down there. And right back up there through the VWAP. There's that VWAP push we were looking for. Still going. 770's pushing here. Why does it sound like that? What's that noise? Like an alarm going off. Where's that noise coming from? Is that on my computer? Fuck! That's hilarious. That noise was coming from the Powell speech being turned off. Oh, fuck. I was like running around the house. I'm like, what do I do here? NASDAQ just pushed up there through that 750 level for now. We got 30 minutes here till the end of day. Obviously, market close right now, heading into the power hour. Looking for that 350 algorithm. See if we get some good moves here today. We got lots of stuff coming up this week. We got more news tomorrow, more news on Friday. So Thursday, Friday should really give us some good opportunities to make some money. Is what we're looking for. So if we can hold this 750 area, try to push up. Back to the VWAP here again. 720s. One more time. I'm gonna try this for a long here off this 30s, off the 720 area. See if we can get this pushed through the 60s there next. Just chopping up there at the 760s. It's about to stop me out again. Oh, Lord. Bouncing off that VWAP one more time. Will the 21 EMA hold up here? Both the ES and NASDAQ having some trouble there, pulling back. Need to get this bounce here off the VWAP one more time. Stopped out there. Still up $1,200 in those accounts. We were up $2,500. Gave back some profit there, obviously, but let's see if we get some more action here. Now it's going to stop me out just to rip back up. Right there at the VWAP again. The ES, the NASDAQ both dipped right down there. Very difficult conditions right now with these the volatility here. Just no clear direction, chopping around still. If we get back above 720, I take another long here. Watching the idea of getting long going above 720s again. Being patient. $15-minute candles. Ugh. We get back above 720s, looking to get long, back above 720s here. Right now, just stuck there below that 21 EMA again. This 15-minute chart, ugh. Ugh. Not looking too hot for the bulls here. Back down there, 660s again. This is yesterday's close. Just sitting right there. Reacting to yesterday's close there. If we get back above the VWAP, see if the bulls have enough power to get this up there towards the 800s here end of day. Again, stuck right there, that pivot. Starting to squeeze. Get through that VWAP there. There's the push back through the VWAP now. Will the bulls continue to push? Can't you see? Trapping the bulls again above the VWAP there. Nasty little sell. Straight back down there. I just wanna move up the deep end. Got 20 minutes until they close. 20 minutes till the close here. I'm just chopping right now. I guess got a bear flag kind of setting up there. If we get through this 660 area, do we rocket down there to the 550s next? Just holding that trend line there at the 80s. Now starting to trade down that 50 break. The chop is very real down here. Well, FOMC, not that fun here right now. Bear flag playing out straight down now from the 50s. Fucking A. Look at it. Look at it go. You gotta be kidding me. Fucking A. Look at it. Just chopped it right back up here again. NASDAQ through the 19,600s now. We're going into the 350 algorithm. 350 algorithm coming up here. Get ready. Oh, Lord. This chop is insane. It's insane. Got minute 30 until the 350 algorithm kicks in here. Oh my lord. Straight down there, 580s now. $20 seconds here. NASDAQ just down here at the lows. 350 algorithm kicking in here. Will the buyers start to step in? $19,600 resistance right now. Just chopping around. FOMC Wednesdays, baby. Right there at the 80s, chopping. They're like trying to pop it up here off the 600 level, looks like. Holding on there through the 600s again. Got 9:55 algorithm coming up here, 30 seconds. Got this pivot point down there, 550s. Got real close to it so far. There's the 950 push. 955, sorry, 355 algorithm kicking in there. Market just holding on here, going nowhere fast. So, right, stuck at that 19,600s. I feel like this just wants to tank, wants to sell off here, but just holding on at that 80 level. Look how tight it is right here. Oh, Lord. Again, back up there towards that 600 level. This should be the sell candle right here, right? Sell candle? No? Right through the 80s here. Nope. It's the end. There'll be no sells. Oh! Oh! He's trying. There it goes through the 80s, down there at 75s. This price action right now. Tomorrow, Friday, Thursday, Friday, it's going to be a lot better. Get excited for the Thursday, Friday action here. Right now, NASDAQ just chopping down here. Now the market's closed, is going to sell down here. All right, there it is. That's the bell. It's over. FOMC Wednesday. Very choppy, uneventful, I feel like. But there it is. We'll be live tomorrow morning. And... we'll be live tomorrow morning. So if you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Right now, NASDAQ just stuck here. So I will see you guys later on. Peace to the Middle East.